Choose a thermostat that supports a common wire so you won't be stuck with limited features or constant battery swaps. If your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning control board has a common wire provision, confirm voltage type and transformer amperage first. Many installers miss that a 17-volt alternating current transformer under the furnace may supply different current capacity than the thermostat spec requires, so measure the idle voltage across the C and R terminals with a multimeter before buying. Match the thermostat's input voltage range and current draw. Smart thermostats often list minimum milliampere draw, so pick one that the transformer can reliably supply without tripping the furnace control board. If not, get a separate 24-volt power adapter or an adapter kit rated for your system. For systems that use heat pump reversing valves or two-stage equipment, verify the thermostat supports the exact number of heat and cool stages and O and B wiring conventions. Program legacy heat pump settings manually if the installer menu defaults to conventional settings. When the C wire is absent, avoid soldering or splicing into random low-voltage wires. Trace the cable bundle from the thermostat to the control board to identify an unused conductor you can repurpose as the C lead, and secure it to the correct C terminal on the control board with a proper terminal screw or push connector. If repurposing a conductor isn't possible, consider using a common wire adapter kit that draws a small charge from the existing R and G lines and provides a stable C reference. Pick kits compatible with your brand and follow the polarity and installation instructions precisely. For battery backup or hybrid models, check the charging circuit and whether the thermostat draws more power when Wi-Fi is active. Disable unnecessary network polling or reduce display brightness to decrease current demand. Document every change with photos and label both ends of the repurposed conductor so future technicians won't disconnect the C accidentally. Finally, run a full system cycle test including heat, cool, fan, and any auxiliary stages after installation, and monitor the system over 24 to 48 hours for short cycling, error codes, or transformer overheat. Address those immediately. One of the top 3 common thermostat installation mistakes is installing a thermostat that lacks a common wire, which causes limited functionality and frequent battery replacement. Fix this by confirming a C terminal on both the thermostat and furnace control board, or by using a verified common wire adapter. One of the second frequent issue is misidentifying wiring labels. Using the wrong terminal for heat, fan, or compressor can damage equipment. Fix this by tracing each conductor to the control board, measuring continuity, and consulting the equipment wiring diagram before connecting. One of the third common problem is ignoring transformer capacity and converter compatibility, which leads to tripped circuits or intermittent behavior. Fix this by measuring the transformer output under load, comparing it to the thermostat current draw, and installing a higher capacity transformer or a dedicated power supply if needed. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local HVAC and electrical contractors who can verify your control board, install a proper C-wire, or fit adapters correctly, making the selection and installation process smoother. The site helps homeowners find vetted professionals and helps contractors get work by connecting experts to local projects and verified leads.